Hey guys, this is my video for what I packed for my study abroad to Ireland. As you can see, I have several dresses, a skirt, a few pairs of jeans, and 7 pairs of leggings. I know I'm going to be really active on this trip, so leggings is a safe choice. I have an array of all different types of shirts, some long sleeve, some short sleeve, active wear, more cute wear, for class and for walking around. 2 nightgown dresses, 1 cardigan, and 4 tank tops. That's all the clothes I'm bringing. Here's a bunch of random things I'll put in my checked luggage. These are larger items and just overall kind of more clunky things that I don't want in a carry-on bag. I have some big boots, some slippers, extra raincoat. Yeah, just random stuff you can see. So here we are. I have moved into my dorm in Ireland, and I have unpacked everything that I brought. I bought the bedding in Ireland. I didn't pack those in my bag, but everything else that you see in this room was stuff that I was able to pack in my 1 carry-on, 1 checked luggage, and my backpack. As you can see, this is my closet. I have my 2 pairs of shoes, a jacket that I wore on the plane. All of my clothes all fit perfectly into my dorm abroad. On top, that's my checked bag that I brought with me. That's my little carry-on, and that's my backpack. I was able to fit everything in there.